How to record a messenger call. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Messenger application on your device. Click on any one of the conversation where you want to make the call. Click on voice call or video call. Once the call has been started, what you need to do is you simply need to toggle on the feature of screen recording on your device. For that, you can either scroll down the notification bar or you can simply slide the sidebar on your screen and click on screen recording. Now before you start the call in Messenger, you need to change certain setting for screen recording on your device. So scroll down the notification bar, go to screen recording setting and make sure in sound section, system sound and microphone feature is toggled on. After that, once the call has been started and when you start the screen recording, the voice will also be recorded. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.